Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay your Walmart credit card bill online. First, open any web browser and go to walmart.syf.com. You'll be redirected to the payment website. Here, you can either log in with your Walmart account or click Pay as a Guest. If you choose to pay as a guest, enter your card number, the last four digits of your social security number, and your zip code. Then click Continue. Follow the prompts to complete your payment. And that's it. Your Walmart credit card bill is now paid online. And that's how to pay your Walmart credit card bill online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.